Let's learn F words, come along. Clap your hands and sing this song. From fox to flower, fun to say. Lots of F words here today. Fish swims fast in the sea, splashing water happily. Frog jumps high with a smile, sits on a leaf for a while. Flower grows in the sun, colors bright for everyone. Fire truck drives with lights so red, helping people full speed ahead. Feather is soft, light as air, flying gently here and there. Fox runs fast with a fluffy tail, hiding behind the leafy trail. Fruit is tasty, sweet to eat. Apples, bananas, what a treat! Fairy shines with sparkly wings, flying through the trees she sings. Flag goes up, it waves so high, blowing gently in the sky. Flute makes music soft and clear, lovely notes for all to hear. F is fun, we learned a lot, so many F words we all got. Come on.